Hey you guys, I hit the mother load on eBay. Won a whole bunch of Zippo money clip knives and just the Zippo regular knives. So let's see what we got. Shipped Air Canada. Don't remember exactly where in Canada it came from, but wow, you can just see there's like a whole bunch in there. Nice little Zippo bag. Start this out. We got, what does it say? Met Crane Trading Ltd. Nice knife. Stainless. Zippo, Bradford, Pennsylvania. Very dirty blade. Kind of gross. Let's see. That's one. And we got this small little one. Put it in another bag. This one's definitely been used. I can't even read that on that side. This side says newness. Gotta look up some of these. I don't know if it's just like company. Bradford, Pennsylvania. Stainless. That's number 2. Yeah, here we go. Ooh, this is nice looking. Gold money clip. But it's also got the knife. It says Zippo in Bradford, Pennsylvania, like all of them do. And then it's also got the nail file. It's got a big point at the end. It's cool. I might start carrying one of these actually. Let's see. Another small money clip. There's a lot of these. I might do a giveaway or something. They're used, but they're still cool. BFC pipelines. It's also got the knives in them. I'm not going to take the whole time to just open them all. Okay, this one, when I saw in the picture, I have no clue what this is. It's got a kind of cool symbol on it. It's got like a crown that almost looks like a heart. I think it's supposed to be like an E or something. I don't know. It looks silver in the camera, but it's actually gold in person. But if anyone knows what that symbol is, let me know. Look at that. Oh, this is cool. I like this. This is another Zippo knife, regular pocket knife, but it's got like, I'm not sure if you can see it. The camera doesn't focus very well. It's got like deer etched into it. It's definitely been used. This one was one of the nicer ones. It's got Zippo, Bradford, Pennsylvania in black. It's cool. I like that one. And the money clip. This one's just a blank silver one. I'll try to go through these a little quicker. Here's another small knife. It says Moore Clark, Bradford. Another small knife. This one's kind of cool. Tonto Mining, like that. That's a pretty cool one actually. No lock on it though. Well, is there? I don't know. Pain in the butt that he put these all into little tiny bags. This one's engraved. This one says GE, Green Cross for Safety, Safety Award. Yeah, really cool. Sometimes the engraved ones are really cool. Coldstream Products of Canada Ltd. That's got like a little British soldier or something on there. Yeah, this camera's not gonna focus. Almost done, you guys. Got like a few more. This one's kind of cool. It's blue. Holland. I guess like Air Holland, like the planes. Safety is a sharp idea. That's kind of funny. I like that. Because it's also the knife. This one seems to be in decent shape. Sorry, missed the camera. Okay guys, got 2 more. This one I also looked up. I couldn't find it online or anything. So, if anybody knows any of these, we got CTO. Or it's CCTO. I don't know if the big one's just for design. This one is actually one of the early ones before they were money clips. It's supposed to go in your wallet. All the other ones were money clips. This one's kind of cool. I might keep this in my wallet as a backup. It's got the file. It's also got the knife and everything. But that's pretty cool. And last but not least, this one's cool because this is a big company. Maytag. I like this one. I think it's Maytag. Or GE, not Maytag. Sorry. Looks the same. Close. And that's also a money clip. But, as you can see, I got a lot of them. And that's good. I may give one away. I don't know which one, though. It'll have to go on which ones I don't like. No, let's see. I don't know, check back. I'll probably more than likely do a giveaway video. So, hope you liked the video. Check back in a little while for a giveaway. Thanks.